Here's how you can look for accommodation in Canada as an international student. Are you an international student? Have you just received an acceptance letter from a Canadian university? Great! Congratulations! Now you need to look for an affordable place to stay. There are mainly two types of accommodation that you can choose from. One is on-campus accommodation, like dormitories and townhouses. The other type is off-campus, including shared apartments, homestays, and rented apartments. The cheapest accommodations in Canada for international students range from 2,500 Canadian dollars to 16,000 Canadian dollars per year. You have to remember that some Canadian provinces like Ontario are costlier than others. Therefore, the costs of accommodation vary accordingly. Suppose you want to know more about this topic, like tips for finding accommodations, or standards of living in different Canadian cities, or more. In that case, you can visit our website smartstudentcanada.com. We have a detailed blog post there. Kindly let us know the topics you would like for us to cover in the next video, or queries you have. We will definitely respond to your requests and provide prompt solutions to all your queries in our next video. If you like this video or you want to keep watching similar videos, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications for new videos that we publish on this channel. Also, please share this video and the upcoming videos with your friends and family members. Best of luck and have a great life.